Our topic for today is angles, and then we have a question on the board of which we all need to try our hands on. And then the question is we have to find the value of this y from this diagram. And then before we are able to solve for the value of y, now we can also see that we have some properties of angle that have been found in this diagram. I can see sum of angles on the straight line in here. I can also see vertically opposite angles, and we also have sum of angles in the triangle. And we also can also identify sum of angles in a circle. So we'll be going by, now first have to solve for the value of this place. So we can also make this here, this angle by x. Maybe let's represent this angle by x. And then let's represent this angle by maybe z. So we have here to be z. So let's first solve for the value of this x. Now we have sum of angles on the straight line. So we have 140 degrees plus x. That is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of angles on the straight line. So we have to make x the subject of this relation. So we have x is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So we have x 140 degrees from 180 degrees. Now we have 40 degrees. So we can see that the value of this x is 40 degrees. And then we also have this. You can also see that z is equal to y plus 30 degrees. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So y is vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we have z to be vertically opposite, that is y plus 30 degrees. So we can also say that x plus y plus z must be equal to 180 degrees. So we have x plus y plus z, that is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of angles in a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so we have this, that is, and then we have the value of x as 40 degrees plus value of y, and then y is we don't know y, so we have y degrees plus we also have the z, that is z as y plus 30 degrees. Are you there? So we have x plus y plus z, that is equal to 180 degrees. So we have 40 degrees plus 30 degrees, that is 70 degrees plus y is 2y, that is equal to 180 degrees. So let's make 2y the subject. So we have 2y, that is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So we have 2y, that is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. That is, we are subtracting 70 degrees from 180 degrees, and then we have 110 degrees. So by this, now you need to find the value of y. We can also decide to divide through by 2, and then we'll be able to get the value of y. So by dividing through by 2, so we have 2y divided by 2, that is equal to 110 degrees by 2. Now we have the value of y as 110 degrees out of 2. So we have y as, so 2 divided by, so 110 divided by 2. So we are dividing 110 by 2. Divided 110 by 2. Then we have the value of y as 55 degrees. So we can also decide to confirm. Now, since we have here to be 55 degrees, we also have here to be 40 degrees. We have here to be y plus 30 degrees. So by adding all together, we must be able to get 180 degrees. Why? Because the sum of angles in the triangle must be equal to 180 degrees. Thank you.